Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today we are demonstrating how to create form using WPForm plugin. Let's dive in. WPForm is a drag and drop WordPress form builder that's easy and powerful. So let's install it first. After installation, activate it. Once activation is done, this kind of page will be shown. From here, click on Create Your First Form. Now let's name this form first. So we are adding the name Seller to our form. After this, you can see there are variety of templates from which we can choose. You can also create your own AI-based template. So let's select this blank form. Click on Use this template. So you can use this. From here you can add the fields whichever required. So from standards I am adding drop down and in the payment section checkbox. Now you can see the fields which we have added are showing in our form. You can also turn on notifications. So we can also embed a page or create a new page. So let's select existing page. We are selecting add listing page. Then let's go. So now here you can see add listing page in which our form is embedded. Here we can also set a featured image. So from here we can edit or see entries, then preview, duplicate or trash the form. So now let's look at the preview. So this is how our form looks like. You can see whichever fields we will be adding will be shown over here. So that's it for this video. Thank you.
We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our